Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back. I have another Charmed Aroma video for you guys. So, Charmed Aroma is a candle company that features jewelry inside the candles and bath bombs. And actually, they have a really good sale going on right now. So, a couple of weeks ago, Charmed Aroma had gifted me the Wild Berry Crumble, and I got this gorgeous bracelet. Check it out right there in my Wild Berry Crumble candle. This one smells amazing. Like bakery, like amazing bakery, and it was really strong. They also gave me a cherry bath bomb, and check it out. I got this ring. All of their rings, you can choose the size before you order, which is a really big plus because you want to get the right size ring. And they are also vegan and cruelty free. So they also sent me, check it out, the Harry Potter Slytherin candle. Oh my gosh, you know what a huge Harry Potter fan I am. I'm obsessed with Harry Potter. I love Severus Snape. I love Alan Rickman, the movies. But Snape is a character. I've always loved the character. And I don't know, I've always been a Slytherin fan. So the green, the snake, absolutely beautiful. So they sent me this one. I did burn this candle all the way through. I do have the jewelry. I have not opened this yet. So we are going to look at my jewelry that I got in this candle together. It's going to be a surprise. I'm excited. I also just wanted to share the other Harry Potter pieces in the collection. They have a Hedwig owl candle that's so cute. They have the golden egg. Oh my gosh. They have a golden snitch. They have the magical moments with the little Harry Potter glasses on top, and then they have the Harry Potter copper mug. Oh my gosh, and a Harry Potter cauldron. And then of course they have candles for each house. And inside you're going to get a necklace or a ring. So let me show you this. Again, I don't want to get these confused. There is a ring in the Hogwarts candle, and you get to choose your house. You can choose Gryffindor, you can choose Hufflepuff, you can choose Ravenclaw. I actually chose the Gryffindor for this one, and I have my ring here. Let me grab my Harry Potter ring. This is the ring I got in my Harry Potter candle, the Hogwarts collection. And then, like I said, Charmed Aroma had asked me if they could send me one of the Harry Potter candles, so I did choose the Slytherin. Yay! But the red, the yellow, they're all gorgeous. So let me go over the scent notes in this candle. The scent notes are, it smells amazing, by the way. The scent notes are mysterious scent of glazed pear, crisp fir, and earthy cedarwood. It definitely smells like something from Harry Potter. I mean, it smells like the forest. You know what I mean? It's got that very deep, earthy scent, and the scent lingers even after I burn the candle. So that's absolutely wonderful. The jar is beautiful. Check this out. The burn on this was really clean, and the throw was really strong. So as I burn through my candle, of course, I got my jewelry. It says find a solid 925 sterling silver Harry Potter Slytherin necklace inside the jewelry candle. One size fits all, of course, of the necklace. So you can also then appraise the jewelry. There's a little code on it. So I'm going to open this up right now. I have no idea what I got. I'm so excited to find out. So let me see. Let me show you this. I'm going to open it up. I get a little bit of candle wax on this still. I'm opening. Okay, so there, the jewelry is protected from any of the wax. So you're going to pull the jewelry out, and then you're going to get a code on the jewelry. So, ooh, I know which one this is. I'm so excited. They show pictures of them. Oh, I'm so excited I got this one. Let me see if I can open this. Oh, my hands are slippery from the wax. You know what? I have my Harry Potter letter opener, so I'm just going to use my letter opener to open this. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. Check it out. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Look, it's the crest. I am so excited that I got this one. Oh, that is really, really pretty. It says 925 sterling on it, but it's the Hogwarts crust. So I'm very excited about that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the code right here, and then you can get the value of your jewelry. So I'm going to do this D PE. Okay, and then you hit appraise. Oh my gosh, you guys, $75 value on this. How awesome! Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. It's huge. There's you can see the Ravenclaw, you can see the snake. Very cool. All the it's hard to show here. On my camera doesn't zoom in that well, but this is so pretty. Gosh, I'm so excited I got this one. So that was a big treat. I didn't know I was getting that one. Yay! So I'm loving this candle. Like I said, the scent is awesome. It is strong. This is more of a masculine scent. It feels like Christmas. It feels very earthy. It feels, let's see, like I said, what is in here? Crisp fir. I'm overly excited. Crisp fir and earthy cedarwood. I'm not getting the pear as much. I think there's like an element, an undertone of the pear, but I would not call this a pear candle at all. I would definitely call this more of a cedarwood and fir candle. So if you like that kind of Christmassy fir candle, I would definitely choose this one, but I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to reuse the jar, obviously. I'm going to set this on my dresser, and I'm going to keep like hair ties or bobby pins in this, and I want the whole set. So anyway, thank you so much, Charmed Aroma, for sending me this candle. I'm so excited that I got the necklace, $75 value here. And if you're interested, I will put the link below to Charmed Aroma if you want to check out any of their products. Happy Friday night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.